So this is for the beginners, okay? Everybody wants to lighten their skin. It comes with a price when you do it the wrong way. You see, gone with this where we never know what we were using on our skin. This skin lightening or whitening thing is forever and ever. So it will not be anything of the past. All I want to say is, if you are a beginner and you want to lighten up your skin, you have to do it the right way. You have to know how to choose your product. You have to know what you want. You can't just go to any cosmetic shop to pick a product all in the name of skin lightening. And if you want to really lighten up your skin, don't expect to gain that result within 2 weeks or 1 month. Okay, skin lightening is a journey. I always say skin lightening comes with a price. It comes with a price because if you don't do it right, you will intend to have knuckles, dark feet. And it also comes with a price because you have to know how to do body steaming or go for sauna. You have to also know how to steam your body at home. You have to know how to go for pedicures and manicures or manicures or whatever they call them. You have to go for all those stuffs to help you get a perfect skin from head to toe. Because steaming your body opens your pores, and doing this pedicure and manicure or whatsoever also helps you to take off dead skin cells from the harder part of your skin, especially our feet and our knuckles. Those are the most hardest part. If you don't know how to choose your product and you go in for a whitening product instead of beginning with a lightening or brightening product, you will intend to have knuckles. You intend to have stretch marks. I don't advise beginners to start using things that they have no knowledge about. If you don't have anybody to give you directions on how to use a lightening product or brightening product as a beginner, you can just go to a nearby cosmetics. Just listen to me very carefully, because these are the tips. Before you go for a product, make sure you have a scrub. Before you go for a product, make sure you have a cleanser. Before you go for a product, make sure you have a toner. Before you go for a product, make sure you are willing to invest in your skin. Those are the tips. And when it comes to skin lightening, we don't choose to lighten our skin. I know. If you were born like this and you have this natural color, I don't think you use any harsh cream on your skin. You just maintain your skin because of genetics and pigmentation. We choose to lighten up our skin to get that healthy looking skin, and to achieve a lighter tone is not for kids. Even like the skin lightening journey itself is not for kids. If you know you are not ready, don't do it, because you have to invest in your skin to have a good looking healthy skin. People are doing IVs. If you see someone and that person have this glowy healthy skin without knuckles, they are using a very expensive cream, or they are on IVs, which is injections. Okay, and you have to learn how to use supplements, vitamins, omega-3, all those healthy supplements that contains healthy vitamin. And make sure the supplement that you are buying is also original, or you are buying the supplement from the right sources. That knowing how to choose your product is the main result that will lead you to lighten your skin. So if you know how to choose your product, you get a good skin. I'm not recommending this product for you people, but these are the products that I know it can work for your skin, or it's good when it comes to lightening up your skin. Because as a beginner, you don't have to use a harsh product. And as a beginner, it's not necessary for you to even use a harsh product because your skin has not tasted any harsh product before. So using this lightening product or brightening product will help you lighten up your skin gradually and expect results within 2 months. Okay, you will see results within 2 months. Don't have it in mind that because I'm lightening my skin, so I expect to lighten up within 3 weeks. We all have skin, but our skin really do differ. It have different types. And since I don't know your skin type, if you know your skin type, you can use your skin type to choose a product for your skin as well. And you have to go in for a full range of products, okay? You don't have to pick different serum, different face cream, different tube, different lotion. No, you have to go in for a set of products from one brand. So let's say if you are using Silica Papaya is a lightening lotion. It's very, very good. If you are using Silica Papaya, you have to buy a whole set of Silica Papaya. You can also choose QEI Plus Privilege. You can go for Fair White So White, the pink one, set of that product. You can go for Q7 Carrot, a set of that product. And there are many more lightening products out there. So if you want to choose a product for your skin, make sure you choose it right. That's what will help you in your lightening journey. If you don't have money to steam, you have to just do these things at home. You have to also know how to scrub. You have to scrub twice a week. You don't have to do it more than twice a week. It's not necessary since you are a beginner. When you achieve the tone you want within 2 months, you have to get yourself a moisturizer so that you can balance the moisturizer and the lotion to give you a very healthy and beautiful skin. Skin lightening is a journey. We are all not happy spending money on body products, okay? But this is your body, this is your skin. You have to keep it healthy. And if you don't want to bleach your skin too, you can also get your hands on some mild lotions that don't lighten, that will glow and make your skin look very, very healthy. And also get your sunscreen. Getting yourself sunscreen and the scrub is very necessary. These are the things you have to get before you start lightening up your skin. Don't waste your money buying all products all in the name of lightening your skin. If you are a beginner, this is the only decision you can make for yourself, okay? I said to get a full range of a product that you will choose for yourself. Know how to choose your product. Get yourself a scrub, get yourself a good cleanser, and please don't buy harsh cleanser if you are a beginner, okay? Subscribe to this channel. I don't want this video to be long. See you next time in my next video.